Hi, chúc mừng năm mới. Happy New Year. It's Chinese New Year. It's the year of the rat, the metal rat to be exact. And it may sound weird, but the rat is a symbol of survival. The metal is a symbol of stability and will. So I wish all that on you. You are a survivor. You will be wealthy and you will have stability. So let's get into it. Oh, today I got on my little number here. I think it's really cute. Okay, first I washed my face. I don't know why, but I rarely get bumps, and this one just been really loving my face and sticking to me lately. So anyway, I just washed my face, so now I'm going to put moisturizer on, and I'm using Clinique. Moisturizer is one step I cannot skip when dealing with skincare regimens. I can skip the toner because toners are sometimes, to do it daily for me, it's too much for my skin, so I skip toners sometimes. But moisturizer, it's like if I don't have moisturizer on my face, I feel like I'm a crack. Like I cannot be dry faced. I can't do it. Then I went to pick up this little number. I don't know how well it works yet, but it's supposed to brighten your circles and diminish like puffiness and or redness if you have it, and it also gives like a cooling effect, so it just gives a hydro boost. Now I'm gonna spray some Color Jodour Prime and Prep. Now I'm gonna grab Bravo Conditioning Primer. I'm just gonna draw little lines here, like now I'm going to go in with my She by Chavejo 3-in-1 brow pencil. First, I'm just gonna kind of blend out what I already have. All right, once you have that blended out, I like to go in and blend out that line a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette by She Cosmetics in the color Nude. And I'm gonna start with this color here. So I accidentally touched this one. So that's why it's darker. So I'm gonna roll with it. So once that's blended out, I'm gonna cut. I'm not doing a heavy cut today. I don't think. That's pretty. Now I'm going to go in with Nude Stick and the number 7. And I'm just gonna put it right underneath my eye. And this is just gonna eliminate those dark circles. And also here on this bump. Now I'm gonna take my foundation stick by She Cosmetics in the color Golden Beige. And I'm gonna put that right above my eyebrow. And I'm gonna sculpt my eyebrow. So I picked up some NYX foundation that was on sale because I wanted to try it and compare it to my foundation. And I don't know, the foundation stick, I just like it a lot more because it's just so much more convenient. Like you can just apply it directly to your face. And I want to mix it with golden. Oh no, that one's darker. Okay, let's try beige. Okay, now that it dried a little bit and it's tacky, I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and blend it out. What? I know that. What are you doing? Okay. Say hi. Say hello. Look, look. Oh, Lord. Say hi. Hi. Oh, I didn't even get to do my mascara. I'm gonna do my mascara and stuff offline.